Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at Western Middle School for the Arts in Louisville, Kentucky. Very emotional day. I got to speak to the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders on the topic of bullying prevention. This being October and part of the kickoff for the Red Ribbon Week 2. They wanted to bring me in and kind of kick off the theme of anti-bullying, which is going on all across this country, the national month to prevent it. But the main focus today wasn't so much on bullying as it was on the one-time actions, not so much the repeated things, but even the one-time words or things that we do and say to each other that can leave a negative mark on someone's heart or a positive for the rest of their life. That we always see people for their heart before anything else first. And like the shirt says, as one race, human, that we can see people as human beings before anything else too. No matter how we're born, if we're different, come from a different background, culture, whatever it is, that we can still show that compassion and love. And I had a lineup after every assembly, 15 or 20 students, a lot of them in tears, that just wanted to share with me some of the pain in their life, whether it's the fact that they really haven't had a lot of love in their life. They've had some death, some abandonment, just how they were born physically, some people not accepting them because of that. And the list goes on, but what I kept telling each and every one of them is that they are beautiful, that they are true miracles, like the M etched on all of our palms. M for miracle, W for worthy, or for Western, right? But that we really focus on that and know our true value, our true worth, our true identity, and that we never stop being ourselves because everyone else is taken. And it takes too much energy to be someone you're not. There's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them really matter. What matters is that you believe that you're a miracle and that your true friends, the ones worth your time, the ones that build you up, that they're the ones that see you for that too. People that don't, it's probably their loss, but it also means that they're probably hurting and really need love and respect and empathy. So we put ourselves in their shoes and we try to show that rise above, be the bigger person, like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. King have talked about, and just strive to show that acceptance for all. Thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. Peace.